Welcome to Run Deals, you guys. I found this fairy nightlight lantern on Amazon the other day. It is a DIY kit. Also, just to let you know, it needs 2 AAA batteries that it does not come with. Let's look inside. Oh my goodness, look at this. It is ready to go for you to make a craft of a fairy lantern. Yes, and look at this. Here is all the other stuff. And it comes with bags of glitter.
And it comes with the fairy.
And here are the fairies themselves, you guys. And there's multiple fairies. I don't know if she showed you that. And then look at these. Oh, these are cute. It's a little puppy and a little house to go in our fairy garden. Alrighty, you guys, I'm going to show you what it looks like.